Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 4 math. In today's video, so let us solve exercise 8.9. Here is the first bit. Put a tick on the figures which are symmetrical. Okay, so this is page number 135. So we have to put a tick on the figures which are symmetrical. So they have given A, B, C, D, E. So here 5 figures are there. Among these 5 figures which are symmetry, so we have to put a tick. So first one is symmetry, so we have to put a tick. Second one is symmetry, so we have to put a tick. And third one is not a symmetry, so we have to put cross mark. And this here also we have to put cross mark. And E is a symmetric, so we have to put here tick. So this is the first bit. Second bit. E is the dotted line, the line of symmetry. Write Y if yes and N if no. So here is the first question. Yes. So is the dotted line is symmetry? Yes. So we have to write here yes. B, no. So N. C, no. So it is not a symmetry line. D, no. So we have to keep here N. So among these 4, only one is a symmetry. So I have put here Y. Y is yes. Next here E. So it is a symmetry? No. So we have to put here N. F, yes. F is a symmetry because here dotted line is a symmetry. Next G, yes. It is a symmetry. And H, yes. It is a symmetry. So we have to put Y. So this is the second bit we have completed. Next to third bit. Draw the line of symmetry for each of the following. So now we have to draw the line of symmetry for each of the following. So they have given the figures A. So we have to put the dotted lines like this. Okay. Similarly for B, like this. And for C, like this. Remaining you do as your homework. So this is the third bit we have completed. Turn your page. Page number 4. Are the figures given below examples of reflection? So if it is yes, we have to write here yes. If it is no, we have to write here no. So here they have given 4 figures. So among these 4 figures, which one are the examples of reflection? So first one. So we have to write here yes. Second one also yes. Third one also no. Third one is no. And fourth one D is yes. Okay. So among these 4 figures, only 3 figures are the examples of reflection. A, B and D. Okay. So this is the fourth bit. Next to fifth bit. Draw the mirror image of each of the following. So we have to draw the mirror image of each of the following. So they have given this image. Now we have to draw the mirror image. So like this you have to draw. Okay. So I have drawn like this. Similarly you have to draw like this. Okay. So with this we have completed our exercise 8.9. Okay. So let us move to the next exercise, that is exercise 8.10. Here also same. Put a tick under the top view of the objects given on the left. Okay. So among this, so this is a cube. So they have given here how many figures? A, B, C. 3 figures they have given. So we have to put a tick under the top view of the objects given on the left. So here on B I am putting here tick. Next, this is the first one. Second one. Okay. So A, B, C. Here also they have given 3 figures. Okay. So among these 3 figures I am put tick on the B. So I have put a tick under the top view of the object, that is B. So this one. Next, third one A, B, C. Okay. Here also they have given 3 figures. Among these 3 figures again I am putting a tick under the top view of the object. Okay. So all this A, 1, 2, 3. So I am putting the tick on B, B, B. 3 figure also. Okay. Okay. With this we have completed our 8th chapter. Okay. So already we have completed this topic, solids, cube and cuboid. Okay. So no need of explanation. So in the next class I will do the continuation of the remaining concept. So with this I end this session. In the next class I will start your 9th chapter. I hope you understood today's concept. Thank you.